Cadet Electric here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install a smoke detector the right way, and I'm going to show you guys how to install a light fixture the right way. There's a crooked way and there's the right way. At Cadet Electric, we do things beyond code and we do things the right way. Let's get to it, shall we? Alright, so today we got this job we're doing finishing. We're installing a light fixture. So this is the box. We're going to install our light. So what we did was we run a 12-3. We always do that. It's always good to run a 12-3 in a bedroom. Any light fixture for the matter of fact. Sometimes a homeowner could have a light fixture or a fan that requires a secondary switch. At least you know you have an extra switch leg. But today, this light fixture we're installing, so this is what we did. In residential, we do things beyond code. We run MC wires, we don't run like BX, we do things in a different level really. So what we did is we ground the box with a pigtail, and then we splice it together with the ground going to the switch over here. Make sure everything is grounded the right way. So now we're going to install the light fixture. Light fixture comes with a quick connect. Everything is in. Let's go. There you have it. The light fixture is in. Good to go. Now I'm going to show you guys how to install a smoke detector the right way. Check this out. So even the smoke detector box, we ground everything. Grounding is very important. So now we're installing the smoke detector. So number one, this is neutral of course. And this is a traveler, and this is a power. So what the red is for, once you connect these three, the yellow goes to red as a travel. If there's a fire in this bedroom, it sends signal to the next one, saying, hey, there's a fire. So all the smoke detector goes off. Completely like go beep, beep. So if an electrician had wired your house and you press one smoke alarm and everything don't go off, there's a problem. It's not done the right way. Make sure everything is interconnected with each other. If there's a gas leak somewhere, the closest smoke detector would tell each and every one of them something is wrong. Make sure your job is done the right way.